Okay, this is scary, So, kids, if you get scared, you close your eyes, this is... Okay, first, I'll show everybody the blade of my head chopper. Okay, can you see the blade of my head chopper? One solid steel blade. Okay, I'm gonna put the blade inside now. This time, okay, I'm gonna make a demonstration of what this head chopper can do. What is this? Carrot. Carrot. Okay. Now everybody pretend that this carrot is your head. Pretend that this is your head. Kunwari, this is your head. Okay. Let's see what can happen to your head. This is what can happen to your head. Yeah! One more time. Yeah! Okay, one more time in the small hole naman. Okay? Okay, this one can happen to your head. Who wants to volunteer? Who wants to volunteer? No. Wait a minute. No kid volunteers. I don't ask for kids. I only ask for adults. Adults only, adults. Who wants? Who's a brave adult here? Cannot be kids. Sorry kids, cannot be you. Kasi you're too young pa. You're too young to die. No, just joking. Who wants? How about Kuya Andy? How about Kuya Andy? Let's give a hand for Kuya Andy. Okay, wait. Okay, before we chop his head, we'll ask him some questions. Kuya Andy, how old are you? How young? 45. You're 45? Plus 1, 46. You're too young to die.
Yes.
Oh, will you die? No. Just joking. He won't die. Do you know why he won't die? Kasi after I chop his head, I'll put it back. Is that okay?
Yes.
It's okay if I put it back so you're still alive. Okay. Do you want Kuya Andy's head to be put inside here? Okay, we're gonna put his head inside. Kuya Andy, you have to kneel down. Okay, there. Kuya Andy's head is inside. Now, before I continue, I will get... Okay. Don't worry, sir. I'll be the one to catch it. I'll get another carrot. Okay, I'll get another carrot. Okay, here is another carrot. I'm going to put this carrot in the small hole below Kuya's Andy's head here. Okay. Now, if this carrot gets chopped, that means Kuya Andy's head is also chopped. Kasi the braid will pass through the head muna, and then will pass through the carrot. So if the carrot is chopped, the head is also chopped. So watch what happens to this carrot. Watch. Okay, now before I continue, I have to hold Kuya Andy's head. Because if I don't hold Kuya Andy's head, his head might fall down and you might catch it. Do you want to catch his head? Yes, you want to catch his head. No, that's too gross. That's too gross. So, para nobody can catch his head, I'll be the one to catch his head na lang. So, I'll hold his head, I'll catch his head, then I'll put it back. Okay, is that okay? Okay, so now ready, everybody? Watch the carrot, watch the carrot, ready? 1, 2, and 3! You're so brave.